Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and please do check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online English language classes we offer. About 8 months ago, I made a very conscious decision to stop eating meat and fish and seafood. My daughter, who's now 11, has actually been fully vegetarian since she was 8, and so I guess some of her influence rubbed off on me. Most of this year, I honestly haven't really thought about meat at all. I haven't missed it, which surprised me because I used to be a real carnivore. But with Christmas just around the corner, I have found myself starting to panic slightly because traditionally I'd usually eat turkey at Christmas. After much consultation with my daughter, we've decided that this year we're going to go for a nut roast. Not quite the same, but I'm sure it'll do. However, we also decided that we want to make sure that we have all the trimmings. The trimmings are all of the extra little bits that you add to a meal to make it more traditional and more exciting. So usually for a traditional Christmas dinner, the trimmings include Brussels sprouts, roast potatoes, red cabbage and apples stewed, maybe with some cloves and some cinnamon in there. We're going to have some parsnips, you've got to have your Yorkshire puddings, and of course you've got to have gravy. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, share it with your friends or your students if you're a teacher. And in the comments section below, we'd love to hear all about the trimmings that you usually have with big traditional meals at different times during the year.